Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sha. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is a glorious day, and the reason that it's so glorious is because I finally got my couch. I'm not even like, this whole couch search situation during COVID has been just insane, okay? Some people, like, I found a couch within my budget and then it's like, this couch won't be delivered until August 25th. Huh? What am I supposed to do from May until August without a couch? Because I've been chilling on an air mattress and it's not fun, okay? So I vowed to myself, this is why you have a moving fund, because I was able to use a little bit more of my moving fund for this couch because I needed it to get here at least within 2 weeks or something. Luckily, I found one. I ordered it maybe like a week and a half ago, and it's here. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're going to be unboxing this All Modern. I think it's All Modern or it's Wayfair. It says Wayfair on the box, but I got it on the All Modern site, so I'm not really sure how that works. But anyway, it is a cute little cloud type couch, and I love a sectional. Even though my apartment is not like huge, I measured it, so this sectional, it's so perfect just for this space. I did look at like the little 3-seater couch joints, but I'm tall and I really like to like stretch, and if I have friends over, then how am I going to stretch on the couch when it's just a 3-seater? I needed options. I needed more space. So I got a sectional. I will put all the information about the couch down below and maybe even on the screen, but let's get into the unboxing. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna start with the smaller box, so we'll see. First things first, it says not to use a knife, but I was gonna get a knife, and how do you open this without a knife? We're gonna figure it out. Alright, that wasn't that bad. So now let's see how I'm gonna unwrap it. I found the instructions underneath one of the cushions, and it's like, why was it there? We don't know. And it says, caution, the item is heavy. Assembly should be performed by 2 people. It's gonna be me and God, because it's just me. So we're gonna do it, and I know that God wouldn't put this in front of me if I couldn't do it, so I'm gonna do it. All right, we're gonna get it in. This part is making me a little bit nervous because I don't know if I should connect it before or after, but I'm probably just gonna connect it after. I'm gonna put this down now. It's not that heavy if you take your time. I'm going slow, I'm not in a rush. Okay, so this part is pretty much done. I'm gonna flip it once I move this box. But first impressions, wow. God. It's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. People said that you can't really sit up. And I can kind of feel that. The back is pretty low. It's like here, but I don't know. I love my couches for lounging, so I never really sit up straight. I'm either leaned over or I am laying out. So let's do the rest of it. So the latch I was talking about, that gets latched here. I don't know if I can get this on camera, but I'm gonna try my best. Look at me, sweating. The latch is not clear, so I'm gonna flip it in the way that I want it and then figure out the latch, okay? I was gonna work out this morning, but this is my workout. Wow. Wow. We gonna make it. So we are slowly but surely getting there. So far, I like the couch. It's very comfortable and it gives me leg room. So. So that's about it for today's video. I just guys, like, get ready to see a ton of videos on this couch and just, oh man, it feels so comfortable. Like, I literally walked in from working upstairs on the rooftop and I was like, oh, this couch looks so comfortable, and I just jumped right into it. So yeah, if you have the capacity to invest in a couch, this one is it. This couch does come in different colors, so I first came up with a specific color scheme, and I wanted something more neutral so that the surrounding artwork and other furniture can be the pops of color, but I wanted my couch to be a neutral color, especially from filming videos or taking photos in here and things like that. So I cannot wait to add more artwork to my walls and to add more plants and to add more furniture, because I'm not even gonna show y'all what's going on back there, but it's coming, it's coming. So thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. Until next time.